The recent months have had little in the way of significant space weather as the sun continues to plunge toward minimum. Alright, this is goofy. It's like, do you guys even watch the sun? I don't know if there's, doing the loop-de-loop. Shoop. I don't know, what's the sun doing? Stuff. Oh, what was that? That's crazy looking. Whoa. It's raining charged protons, bro. And that's electrifying. What was that? If you like giant gray blocks, boy, have I got a treat for you. Oh, that's weird. Looks pretty active to me. Yeah, I definitely expect some weird weather. And people to be acting weird. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a sunspot so big, even the Washington Post is talking about it. We got a sunspot so big, you could fit 8 Earths in it. That's right, ocho tierras. Sunspot AR2529 is one big bastard. What is a sunspot? It's a giant hole in the sun.
AR2529 doubled in size over the weekend.
Giant sunspot turns towards Earth.
Big sunspot.
And it's really big.
Really big.
And it's really lightning-y.
The dancing banana? The dancing banana was dancing. The website's working? So the banana's always dancing. When the banana's dancing, there's a solar storm. Dancing banana. Dancing banana is dancing. Dancing banana. The sun's pretty big, yeah. Probably the banana stopped dancing. That's how you know there's an error. The banana doesn't dance. The dancing banana. There's no banana on this page. Oh, please. What's it gonna say? Solar activity is low.
You know, sometimes when I make a video, I'm like, who do you think would watch this?
What do you got for me?
An update.
Good morning, folks.
Are you cool?
Hey, everybody. It's your heads up.
Eyes to the skies.
Because I'm going to be dropping some hard Thor news science upon you. Stay cool. Hit the button, baby.
Party dance time.
Hell yeah, we're flying now.
Well, this is space. There's space all over the place.
This is a Thor news presentation. Thor news presents... You're acting weird. Alright, let's check out the solar action. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, it's big. It's red, and it's blue. It's green, and it's yellow. That thing is huge. Hey, Sage, there's a giant sunspot on the sun in the shape of a heart, and I made it for you. You're welcome. She's sleeping. It looks about the size of that rogue brown dwarf they just found in TW Hydra E. Washington Post wants to know, now that a huge sunspot has formed, are solar storms up next? Or next up? I don't know if there's... The recent months have had little in the way of significant space weather as the sun continues to plunge toward minimum. Alright, man, it's like I got a bunch of parrots just parroting. A, solar activity's low. B, we are in solar minimum or plunging towards solar minimum, Just because I take a break from making sun videos for a couple weeks doesn't mean solar activity's low. And whereas this first video will center around massive mammoth sunspot AR2529, the video after this, talk about how all these people talking about solar minimum and low activity have lost their gosh dang mind. It's almost like you're peeing on me and telling me it's a moisture credit card. I don't even know what that means. Okay, another thing. Who wrote this article? Joe Cunches? Man, first of all, the recent months have had little in the way of significant space weather. Do you even know what space weather is? Man, auroras are technically space weather, and the auroras have been crazy, insane, magical, divine, out of this world. You've got numerous aurora chasers saying this is the best aurora season they've ever seen. Unlike the double-peaked minimal solar maximum that was never ending and really weird, the auroras, too, have been unending. So as our giant sunspot, AR2529, is filled with lightning and electricity, I think it's safe to say, when the sun goes crazy, space weather goes crazy, Earth weather goes crazy, people go crazy. So get ready for a little sun, shine, and rain, crazy dust storms, hellacious hail, and crap of that nature. Today, however, things are heating up. A very large, quite impressive sunspot group, dubbed Region 2529 by NOAA, is clearly visible on the solar disk. Region 2529 has grown appreciably in the last few days, and today it dwarfs the size of the Earth by many multiples. However, it has not been particularly eruptive, generating no coronal mass ejections, waves of plasma. No, but it has fired off a bunch of plasma in the form of filaments. Somehow, those don't count, even though they keep getting bigger, badder, and scarier. And just a few small flares and bleeding off its stored magnetic energy. The sunspot has been so quiet due to the fact that the magnetic field structure is simplistic. It now contains no tight magnetic gradients or pinch points that can result in explosive activity. The region is to the left of the center disk as we watch the sun. So Region 2529 will be visible for the next 10 days or so. If it continues to grow and evolve, especially in the period of April 13th to the 20th, it will be in a prime location for impacting Earth. Both geomagnetic storm and solar radiation storm events may be in the works. Alright, Earth sky is saying giant sunspot turns towards Earth. Aurora alert for April 13th. What about aurora alert for now, bitches? The sun is now moving towards a minimum in the 11-year solar cycle. Spots in the sun's surface have been few and far between. Alright, this is goofy. It's like, do you guys even watch the sun? Yeah. Flash, it'll save every one of us. Wow. The sun's just like a big piece of self-sustaining charcoal. Alright, that's not true. But it sounds good. Just doesn't sound sciencey enough. Guess I should call it carbon. And here we get a look at the sun's dragon skin. It's a magical marvel, wouldn't you say? Yeah, the auroras have been wild, colorful, shapely, shaped like a phoenix. Welcome to Enter the Sun Dragon.